Class 9 children, today we will revise indices and it is exercise 6C page 68. Question number 2, evaluate. So these types of questions are very important children. Evaluate we also can say simplify. So evaluate and simplify both are same. So number 2 question I have taken here. 9 to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 into 5 to the power 0 minus 1 by 81 to the power minus 1 by 2. So in this exercise, it is very important to note down, if the power is in negative, we have to make it positive. And to make this negative power as positive, we have to interchange numerator and denominator. That means to make it positive, to make this positive, I have to write 81 by 1. Means 81 will go up, 1 will come down. And when there is already positive power, then we should target to break this number at the base, that is 9, in such a way that at the power you look at the denominator. Denominator is 2. That means 2, we have to convert this 9 in a square form. That means in a form of 2. So I can say 9 becomes square of 3, because 3 square is 9. 3 square into 3 by 2. Now you might be asking, sir, why we have to target to make it 3 square? Because if I write 3 square, this square 2 and this base denominator 2 will cancel, and our fraction number at the power will vanish and we will get 3. We will get a perfect number. So now you can see it is no more a fraction number. It was 3 by 2, now it has become only 3, because 2 got cancelled. And minus 3 into anything to the power 0 is 1. 3 into 1 minus. So as I had told you, interchanging this is very important to make it positive. So 81 by 1 and 1 by 2. Now same thing here. As we have 2 at the denominator of the power, focus 81 to break in such a way that it becomes square. That means it becomes 2. So 81 is the square of 9. That's why 9 is square. As you know, 81 also is 3 power 4. I can write 3 power 4 also as 81. But I did not write 3 power 4 because as it was square here, so I wrote 9 square. That means we have to look at the denominator of the power, and accordingly we should break the number internally, internal number or number at the base. So now it is 9 square, 2 got cancelled. Now 3 cube is 27, 3 ones is 3 minus 3, and 9 power 1 is 9. 27 minus 3 minus 9, minus 3 and minus 9, minus number we add, it is minus 12, and 27 minus 12 is 15. This was first question I have done. Now question number 4, the second question. 16 to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 power 0. As you can see, power is positive. No need to bother about negative sign. It is positive. And now when we see at the power, the denominator is 4. Now target 16 to break in such a way that we get power 4. And 16 is 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means this 4 got cancelled, and now we have 2 cube. Now plus 2 into, as you know, negative power. So to make it positive, we interchange. 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 and power becomes positive, and anything power 0 is 1. And 2 cube is, now 2 cube I can write 8, and this is 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and same 4 I write here because power 1 has no value. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Let me explain one more question children. Question number 3. 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 minus 3 into 8 to the power 2 by 3 into 4 power 0 plus 9 by 16 to the power minus 1 by 2. As here we have negative power but no fraction. So first let us make it positive. To make it positive power, 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1. And now negative power has become positive. Now there is no fraction number at the power, so no need to break 4. Had it been fraction number, then we should target to break the internal number, but no need now. Now 4 square will become 16. Now here 2 by 3 is positive, so break 8 such a way that we can cancel this 3, because this 3 we have to target such a way that 8 is cube of what? 8 is cube of 2. So 2 cube is 8, and this 3 also got cancelled. And now this 3 is same, and anything to the power of 0 is 1. As here negative power, so we will make it positive. 16 by 9. We have to interchange this, and power became positive. Now 4 square is 16. Now 2 square is, only 2 square is 4. So I can write 3 into 4 into 1. These 3 numbers got multiplied. And you can see here power is fraction, it is 2. That means you have to target 16 and 9 to make it 2 as a power of 2, that is square. As 16 is 4 square, 9 is 3 square. So I wrote 4 by 3. I want to say one more thing, children. 16 also is 2 power 4, but I did not write 2 power 4. I wrote 4 power square. That is 4 square I wrote. Why? Because my target is to cancel the denominator of the power. That's why I wrote 4 square and 3 square. 4 by 3 square is same, 16 by 9. And now 2 got cancelled. Now I can say 16 minus 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12. And this is 4 by 3 power 1 is 4 by 3. Now 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 plus 4 by 3. Fraction number we have to always add by LCM. So LCM is 3. 3 4s are 12 plus 4. 16, 12 plus 4 is 16 by 3. And if you divide 5 whole 1 by 3 is our answer. So children, as I have explained you 3 questions, please try to understand what I am saying and then try to do some of the homeworks that I am going to give. Thank you, children.